What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructify videos. Today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can hide chats on Snapchat super easily. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, so what you have to do first is click on their name. So for me, I have the second one right here. I click on it and we have a little conversation right here. So let's say I say hey, they type hi, right? So we have like a little conversation, how are you, whatever. And now what you're going to do from here, you're going to click on this. You're going to click on the three dots. So click on the avatar, then click on the three dots over here. Then from there, what you have to do is click on chat and notification settings, right? Once you click on that, then you should have an option right here, which is that clear from chat feed. Click on that. Before you click on it, I just tell you guys, your chat will not be deleted. Everything will be saved, so you're good, alright? So what you have to do is just click on clear. Then once you click on clear, what you have to just go back, and they're not going to be there no more, right? Oh, did I click on it? Yeah, so click on clear from chat feed, clean it, and they're not there no more, right? So once you do that, what you have to do is, now let's say you want the chat back, right? Just search their name up. So right here, me, search up Instructify test, because that's my name, right? So I click on that, and let's say I say hey, and our old chats and everything is also saved here. So this is literally the best way if you want to cheat on your girlfriend, boyfriend, anything you want. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you guys have any problems, make sure you leave a comment down below.